Hi guys, how are you doing? Happy evening, wherever you are. What a wonderful girl. What a way everybody's happy. Everybody's beaming. I'm happy too. I'm happy that the storm has passed and relief supplies are getting out to the victims, so they are going to be even happy too, right? So we're all going to be feeling very happy. Guys, can you imagine that let me say the health conditions of the areas where the hurricane had taken place is of concern, as stated by Dr. Dawes, the opposition spokesperson on health. He was saying, as I listened to him, which I know too, that mosquitoes can be easily take breeding grounds when there's stagnant water. No, I don't think there's the water that has been lying around, which is like leftover from the hurricane. Maybe there are puddles and pools and pools all over the place. Stale water, stagnant, not running, is going to cause some problems because health issues can come of it. You can get different diseases, right? You can get malaria, cholera, chikungunya, ZV. You can get so many different dengue, and we know that these diseases are deadly. And I think the authorities will soon have to go in. And at one point, it is said that dead bodies, animal bodies, everything is lying around. And people, flies, and people are there experiencing. And I heard too that some are having running belly. I would never want any breakout. I would never want an outbreak. In the event of an outbreak, it can be deadly, it can be serious, it can set back the economy, right? Because here comes Melissa, damage the place, set back the economy, and then now not deal with the situation of health control quick enough, allow it to spiral out of control, then it's going to cost. It's going to cost lives and money. So maybe what they should be doing now is ensuring that the health personnel are out, and with all those trees that are oh, with all those trees that are falling, guys. Whoa, and maybe covering up some puddles here and puddles there. It's gonna be a problem. But I think they should start like no. Time lapse is going. Dead animals of different type. Flies flying all over the place. They don't have enough water to wash their hands before they eat, even to go to their mouth. Flies are pitching all over the place. So I would love for the authorities to step up quickly on that avenue, because few persons have lost their lives in the storm, and we don't want to lose anyone more in spite of what is about to take place. I remember when Haiti had was it the earthquake or the storm? They had lost lives, and they had a cholera outbreak for some time, and they have lost a lot of lives too. So let me hope that this matter will be dealt with soon, because delay means danger. So I'd like you to take a look, take a listen, and tell me what you think about this video about Dr. Dawes and health.